Pia saves the birds. It's a rainy season. The birds are scared. Pia is surprised that the birds are scared of the rain. So Pia said, "Come here, I will save you." So the birds came. Pia feeds the birds with grains. And then they hide under the table. The birds are scared on the thunder. Look at the thunder.
Okay, that's the thunder. And then?
So it's sunny season now. So Pia said, "No rain anymore. The birds shall sing because it's sunny day." And then the birds said bye-bye because they want to go now to their nest. And then Pia said bye. So the lesson is, remember, take care of the animals.
Wow.
The end.
Okay, whose story is that? Huh? Whose story is that?
Huh?
Who wrote that?
Me.
Who drew?
Me.
Where did you get the idea?
Mind.
Okay. So what will be your next story? So I will wait, okay? Mommy will go back to work.